Welcome to Wolfpac Super Deluxe Fun Time Variety Hours of Food Bit. I'm Maddog, and this is Maddog's Munchie Menagerie. Today we are going to check out Wendy's. Now, originally I came here, I wanted to try the beef brisket burger, but, well, they laid it down short on that. So, being as I was already here, and didn't feel like going anywhere else, I decided to check out an oldie but a goodie, the Baconator.
Sad, isn't it? How some places treat their bacon. Cook it in another zip code and reheat it on this hypnotizing carousel of shame. Time for a wake-up call. Time for Wendy's Baconator. Piled high with only freshly cooked bacon. Does this look like microwave bacon? Please. This is where 6 strips of applewood smoked goodness meets half a pound of pure fresh beef. Don't keep the Baconator waiting.
Looks yummy. Take a look at this bad boy here. Got 2 beef patties right there, some mayonnaise, lots of bacon. I like that. Bacon is king. Let's get into this bad boy and check it out. Decent. Lots of cheese. Right there, check that out. Very cheesy, very bacony. Good flavor. A little mayonnaise there. I like it. Now on taste, I'm gonna have to say the taste is up there. It tastes pretty good. The price for $7, I'm gonna have to say that's a no good. So between the taste and the price, I'm gonna have to say that I'm gonna have to give this 3 fat kids, just because that's a little bit expensive, but the bacon makes up for it. So there you go, Wendy's Baconator. Check it out. If you would like me to review anything in the future, please hit me up at Maddog's Munchie Menagerie at gmail.com, and you can also find me on Facebook. Till later, send it back to you, Legs and Buddha. Peace.